It's been a while since the last vlog, and even though I'm not here as often because I have my own things to do like everyone else, I try as much as possible to keep the promises I make to you here. So today I'm giving you a tour of the new house. I'm really excited and I want to remind you that you can also follow me on my Instagram account if you want to see what I post in real time. So let's get started. Let's start the house tour from the entrance. In front of us there are a few stairs leading up to the living room, and on the right we have the entrance wardrobe where we keep our most frequently worn jackets, scarves and hats depending on the season, and down there are some footwears. If we go down the stairs from here, we reach the basement, which I will show you a little later. Okay, let's go upstairs. There is the kitchen and the dining area. In this part is a cupboard, TV, and here I have placed a sofa and a coffee table. On this occasion you can also see my autumn decorations. Under the TV I have decorated with these black and white pumpkins and these orange ones. Okay, let's move on. As I mentioned, this is the dining area, and here we have the kitchen. Where I have decorated with this jar in the shape of a pumpkin. Here are some cupboards, the stove, the range hood, and here is the refrigerator. Here we have the island with the dishwasher, a few chairs, and again cupboards, and the coffee station. This is what it looks like up close. Here we have two coffee machines, and above I have placed some drink bottles and again some autumn decorations. On the left we have a small pantry which I am very happy with, and where we keep all kinds of kitchen items such as appliances, sauces, spices, oil, sugar, and so on. Okay, let me show you the rest of the house. As you can see, there is the entrance where we started the tour, and here we have a small hallway. In front is the bathroom, which I will show you immediately, and here on the right side is my office, which I am very happy with because it has excellent light. In this part is my desk, laptop, and an extra screen for when I need to, and a small bookshelf. Next to it is the wardrobe, the entrance to the office, and here I have a cupboard where I keep all kinds of notebooks, Above is the printer and some decorations. And in this wardrobe, I keep my jackets, bags, soft boxes, and so on. Now we enter the bathroom where we have green cupboards, a large mirror, and a sink. On this side is the toilet, the bathtub, and next to it is a large shower cabin. We continue the house tour with the wardrobe in the hallway, where I keep the bed linen and some blankets. And here is the bedroom with a king bed. On the wall we have a dream catcher, and on the other side we have the TV and a small fireplace. Here we also have a large dressing room which looks like this. Well, let's go down the stairs to show you the basement. This is the basement, which is unfinished and has become a storage space in the meantime. It is very large. For example, we can make another room and the bathroom here. Here will be the family room. I show you from another angle so you can see how it is divided for now. And here will definitely be another room. In the basement we also have the washing and drying machine. And in this part we have a smaller space which in the future I think we will transform into a storage space. So yes, this is how the basement looks for now. We will finish it over time because there is no rush at the moment. We need to think about how we want to divide it into rooms, how we want it to look, and all those things. One last overview, and oh, I forgot to show you the back part of the house, the yard, which has the exit through the kitchen. So, in the backyard, we have a small wooden deck with stairs. On the right, we have the barbecue. And there are chairs and a table. And this is our backyard, which is also unfinished because it lacks grass and a fence, which is also in our project for the future. This was the tour of our new house. Thanks for staying until the end and see you in the next vlog.